Thinking about marketing online? Check out these tips. You have to get ahead of the competition if you desire to see success in web marketing. When designing your site and preparing your marketing project, a competitive nature is crucial. It can help you to produce a feasible organization that lasts. So how do you make your organization stand out amongst the crowd? The following tips can assist. So watch on. Deal something of worth to get people to register for your email list. If you run a blog site about a pet training, you can use readers, your top 20 ideas for puppy training when they give you their email addresses. If you can develop an email list, then you have more chance to send them items using that they will want. Amongst the things that you can do in order to effectively market your products through the web is by distributing freebies. Send your freebies online directories that will make it easier for others, individuals, to hear about and know about them. This is one way in which you might go about advertising your items. When marketing an item on your website, reduce diversions and increase focus. You want your customers to look at the page and instantly know what they are taking a look at and why they'd be interested. If your page is cluttered or worse, uninteresting, you will lose them in the very first couple of seconds without any chance to make a sales pitch. Increasing your sales force by hiring satisfied customers to serve as brand ambassadors. Provide discounts for linking others to your website or offer benefits for the affiliate who can produce the most click-through links on their blog site or site. The benefits could be totally free merchandise, complimentary shipping, and present cards. Make sure that you create a financial strategy before you put the wheels in movement. In order to identify what you can and cannot do, never invest more money than you have, as your objective must be to optimize the value of your website with minimal expenses. This is the optimum method to maximize a profit. To help your clients remember your business and logo designs for your company, this trick makes it easier for consumers to recognize and remember your business. When faced with a problem, these logos and slogans turn up in the customer's mind and they tend to recall your business. Accurate keywords and key expressions that are appropriate to your website are important. Do not use keywords not related to your website, or you could be punished by the search engines, and do not duplicate any keywords over 3 times. Standing out is important if you desire to be at the top of the search engine results and drive more traffic to your organization website. Your business is sure to see an increased level of success if you follow them. A competitive nature is essential when developing your website and preparing your marketing campaign. give discount rates for linking others to your website, or offer a benefit for the affiliate who can create the most click-through links on their blog or site. As I've said, to help your customers remember your company in terms of internet marketing, it is crucial to use mottos and logos for your service. As I have said, do not utilize keywords not related to your website, or you might be punished by the search engines, and do not duplicate any keyword over 3 times. I've stressed this twice because it's most important that you do these things. Standing out is vital if you want to be at the top of search engine results and drive more traffic to your service site. I hope you have taken something from this video. Just run through it again if you want to learn more again. Also, I have a YouTube channel with over 360 videos on how to earn money on the internet, how to work from home to earn money, and different videos like that all the way through it. 360 of them, probably more when you get there, because I'm doing one a day most days. Now, below my video there's a like button. Please click on that and subscribe, as this helps me with YouTube. If you want more videos sent to you, just click on the bell above and click all, and YouTube will let you know when I put another video up. Underneath my video there are a lot of links. They're links to programs I've used throughout my video time, and also tools I still use today. They're all affiliated links, so if you decide you want to join one of the programs or purchase one of the tools, I will get paid a small commission. While I'm on about commissions, I used to use a program for years called Spin Rewriter, and now I still use it, but it's with a difference. I had an email come through a few months ago asking me if I'd like to join as a lifetime member, which I did straight away because I use it so much. I'm glad I did, because for this reason I now can put in my keywords into a panel in the lifetime members users area, and those keywords will be turned into scripts within 4 to 5 hours, and they send me 50 scripts a month. That saves me so much time on the internet searching. Once I'd searched and found what I wanted to put forward, I used to have to copy and paste, go into Spin Rewriter, paste it and rewrite it, so I didn't get done for copyright. Now all I do is put in keywords. So Spin Rewriter, Rewriter it's called. I'll put a link in the video. And also, while I'm at it, please make sure you do your due diligence with Google. Search what you're going to join, and make sure you follow through with all the little pages they send you. You can see what sort of commissions they pay, how big the firm is, how often they pay, what sort of advertising they've got for you to use, and all things like that. That is Google. Search through Google. Myself, I use YouTube because I work with YouTube. With YouTube, put how to make money online, how to start an internet business, how to work from home, things like that. And they came up with videos. The only difference is you can watch it being done, and they usually show you the way to start. So I find YouTube very good as well. So that's Google and YouTube research. So thank you for watching. I hope you come back again to see some more. Please click on the like button and subscribe. And please do your research. This is Ian Jackson saying, wishing you all the best in your internet venture, and a cheerio for now.